This is how you can create such cool text animations without using After Effects or any paid software. All you have to do is to head over to this website. This website has lots of free cool text animation templates. Just choose any one, then you can either open it in Clipmaker 2 or Clipmaker 3, both are almost same. After that, first you have to straighten the clip by clicking on this I button, then shorten the timeline to see the full timeline in one go. This is how your text animation video looks. Pause at the position when the whole text is visible on the frame. Now click on this cube icon to edit the clip. Now find Text and replace the word Name with the word of your choice. As you can see, my full channel name doesn't fit inside the frame. In that case, reduce the size so that it fits inside the frame. Repeat the process until all the text is replaced by your desired word. You can also change the font style if you want. Now, to preview your text animation, click on the play button. After you got satisfied with the result, click on the download icon. You got 4 options: fastest render, balanced, good quality and extreme quality. You can choose any one, but for better quality, I prefer extreme quality. Now choose the video format and start the video render process. After some time you can download your text animation video. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such amazing videos.